After the success of the Oklahoma onion burger, we thought we'd revisit the Sooner State, but this time for the Caesar burger from Johnnie's. Caesar salad on a burger. It's a simple concept. I love a Caesar salad, especially with the dressing that we're gonna make today. So Mrs. Cooking Guy's very simple Caesar dressing. And by the way, for all the anchovy haters, no anchovies included, so you're gonna be all right. But you're basically making a little Caesar salad and putting it on top of a burger. There's no cheese involved. There's bun. I love the sound of it. I'm gonna keep my opinion for the bite. Why make an opinion now when I haven't had it yet? We'll start by making the little dressing. Then it's pretty much downhill, as they say. Kelly Caesar begins with olive oil. Recipe below, don't have to write anything down. I'm not gonna give you measurements, so you can't anyways. Got lemon juice, like this. 1, 2, that's a lemon. That's a lemon. Wring its little lemon neck. Little Dijon, fantastic. Nice clove of garlic. Oh, see that? Love it when it comes out with such force. Now we need Parmesan. And you know, we like grating our own. It's very good. It's way better than that packaged stuff. I mean, it has its place, but a little bit on the deck, that's good. A little Worcester, it's looking great. A little hit of salt and pepper. And ready for this one? Kelly puts smashed croutons in. Tell you what this does. This helps thicken this up like anchovy might. Put them in a bag, and then we find something to smash with that I wasn't thinking, so I'll use this. You literally want them like dust. And when you got it, want 2 tablespoons in our dressing. 1 and 2. That's it. Lid goes on, and we shake. Liquid gold, ladies and gentlemen. Kelly's liquid gold. And you see all the bits in here? No anchovies, but look how pretty. It's insane, you have to make it. It is so good. Now, get the patty going on the grill behind me. Almost there. All right, let's get the romaine cut and dressed before we get to the burger. So, what's this? This is a little head of romaine. Now, this is my least favorite part of the romaine. I'll put it off to the side. Maybe I'll put it into a big salad later or something. But this part I like, so we get rid of this. Now, you want bite-sized pieces because how are you gonna deal with like giant pieces in a burger? A few cuts that way, and then beautiful. Comes right here, goes in. And since we're only a few minutes away from this being ready, I'm gonna dress this now. Let the dressing kind of soak in a little bit. You can't go too crazy with it. Remember, you can always add more. A gloppy dressing on greens is bad, so not too much. Perfect. Set this aside. Now we throw the burger on. And I don't know what Johnnie's uses, but I'm going with 1/3 of a pound. And now we're just cooking a burger. Cooking a patty, I mean. So Johnnie's apparently uses a charbroiler, and that's what this is. This is what a restaurant would use in the kitchen to get that barbecue look and flavor. They can go watch the video that we first used it to get all the info on it if they want. This is not something you normally see in somebody's backyard. I like it because it's got a lot of power to it. It's got 7 different burners, but also there's no back. On barbecues, there's always that lid that gets in the way, and you guys couldn't see it. It would make Max and Chance's job very difficult if I had the lid on the barbecue in the way. So we had another one that had a disappearing lid, but it broke and we couldn't get it fixed. So let's give it a little turn, shall we? Oh! God, that's hot. Dang. I don't know why I'm always surprised at that. Look at it. Royal Deluxe. Time for a flip. Nice, 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 nice. There's no cheese on this thing. We're going bare. Aside from a salad. Why did the Okies hate cheese?
Well, look, you got a little bit of parm in the dressing, right?
That's true,
No
chances.
chance they hate cheese.
And it's bun time. On they go. Then we get a little toasty. They use a seeded bun at Johnnie's. By the way, I could not find a bun the right size with seeds on it. So I took a regular hamburger bun, brushed it with a little egg wash, put sesame seeds on it, and put it in a 250 oven for about 6 minutes.
You could have shown us that, jerk.
I could have shown you that, but I just described it, so bite me.
Welcome to the channel where we describe the cooking that we did off camera.
Okay, take the buns off. Ooh, boy. All right, this guy's got about another 2 minutes and we're there. All right, we're there. Off we come and we go. First things first, I want a little fresh ground pepper on the salad. Couple good cracks, a quick mix. Now we're talking. Here we go. We've got our beautiful bun. And now I can't help myself. I don't know what they do at Johnnie's. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just put a little Kewpie, not a ton. Remember our dressing? I'm gonna come back with a little bit more and do this. You just need a little bit of moisture, right? Right. Here's the patty. And now the crazy part, Caesar salad. Yeah, it's just not gonna all stay here perfect, is it? Like their pictures, like their Johnnie pictures. Okay, one more, I think. And now, this.
It's the Caesar burger from Johnnie's in Oklahoma.
Well, it's not the most exciting burger we've made, but it's interesting. Let's find out if they know what they're doing in Oklahoma at Johnnie's. See this? Yeah.
What's better, the crunchy parts of the lettuce or the wibbly parts? Comment below.
By the way, cooked very nicely. It's very good. I'll admit, though, that little bit that I added with the mayo on the bottom was good, but honestly, this will be the bite. A whole different thing. So, what did we learn? You either need to overdress the F out of the salad, or put a whole bunch more of the dressing on the bottom and on the top, and use a little mayo to add a little bit of moisture. It's really good when you get that big hit of Caesar, which I hope they're doing at Johnnie's. I have no idea. I've never been. Never been to Oklahoma.
One day.
In fact, we had to look up what a Sooner was, because we didn't know. But now we do, and I'm not sharing it, because I've forgotten. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with us. Hit the subscribe button. That notification bell tells you when we post new videos. And if you're having trouble getting notifications like somebody emailed and told us they were, check the settings in your phone. Maybe I'll stick a link for how to check that. It's not enough to hit the notification bell. You also have to have notifications turned on in your phone for YouTube. That's what you do. Go to settings, notifications, there you go. I've answered it for you. And we're giving away one of those knives to subscribers, so subscribe. We'll pick a name, put it on the screen. There you go. See ya.